Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my end of month flip for my Louis Vuitton small ring or PM agenda. So this is my on the go / travel agenda. I honestly haven't used it all month. I used it this week, which is the week of Thanksgiving that I'm recording this. And that's because I just haven't needed it. My focus actually has been work and of course school, but because I've been going back to the office for work as of mid-month this month, I've just been using my medium ring agenda more since that is my work agenda and keeping everything that I need in here. But I did start using this again because I wanted to incorporate the daily inserts for personal use back into my agenda system, especially now that the holidays are coming up. I'm on the go, a little bit more, and school will be out after mid-December, and then I'm out for like almost a full month. And so I was going to set this up again for travel. I did have like the packing list inserts from Cloth and Paper and the daily itineraries that I was going to put in here. This can also store your passport, which we were going to Seattle. We didn't need that, but I do plan on storing that in here once I get that. I have my COVID vaccine card in here, but that's where it stays anyways. But instead I just reset it up as my on-the-go planner. So y'all have seen this layout before. This is generally like my go-to for this agenda. So we have my inbox. The first tab is the monthly inserts that always stay in here, so I can reference any upcoming plans, and we just have a lot of our different mini priorities in here. The second tab is the undated daily inserts from Infinite Lotus. And again, I just really wanted like a quick reference for things that I needed to do while I was out, or just something that I just wanted to list that I didn't want to put on my weekly inserts in my main agenda and just, write out. But I was either making lists in like the notes section of my phone or on a sticky note. And so I thought I would just reincorporate this so that way it's all in one spot and I can refer back to it when needed. So I just added these back into this agenda and started carrying it with me. And I just have a few undated daily inserts. I like the undated, especially for this agenda, since I move things around in this agenda probably the most, because this is really based on whatever is going on. But I like having these in here because I don't have to use them every single day. Like I'm not going to use it on Thanksgiving or, Christmas, because we're going one place and that's it. So we have that, and then the last tab is actually the budget tracker. Again, trying to figure out how I want to set up my finances, and I just incorporated these back in here so I can start after next paycheck and get better at using this more as like a transaction log. So that is the current setup and how I've been using it. So my favorite part about this agenda is that it's always based on needs. So whatever I feel like I need to carry around with me more, because this is so lightweight and so compact, I put in here. So if it's like daily inserts, if it's budget inserts, if it's just random inserts or no inserts, I change it up based on needs. Whenever we travel, I will set that up for travel. I was going to do that, and then, we canceled our trip, but yeah, other than that, that is the flip through for this month and how I've been using it. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.